Hello YouTube! How is everyone doing? I hope you're doing great. So this morning I received a comment that cleared up my doubts as to why the end from Lil Uzi Vert and Baby Metal sounded so much like Paledusk. Why did it give me some Paledusk vibes? And I was told by Devarshi Ray, or Ray Devarshi, that, thank you by the way, that Daisuke, the guitarist of Paledusk, was involved as well as Koba Metal, the producer of Baby Metal. And they basically got creative. Daisuke's guitar work and then Koba Metal's crazy genre bending vision brought the end to life, and basically it just became a Paledusk track without being Paledusk itself, with the twist of Baby Metal. Well, also Ray Devarshi, shout out to you, suggested to react to more Paledusk tracks. Sorry, my brain is not connecting to my tongue right now. Paledusk tracks. And one of the tracks he suggested, sorry for, for not speaking clear, is Black Eyes. And this user specifically stated that they basically are in a league of their own and that they might have, or they do have, their own genre of music. Chaoscore. Is it chaotic in a good way? Is it great? Does it combine all of the elements? As well as Ray Devarshi says. I mean, I've only reacted to 2 tracks, but that wouldn't be enough to make a full assessment of what this band represents. So, we're going to be reacting to Black Eyes to confirm it. Paledusk chaotic? We'll see. Before I begin, I would love to clarify that these reactions are made from the perspective of a blind individual. Hence, the screen will be black during the duration of the reaction. If you would like to see the original video, I will leave a link in the description so you can watch it without my annoying commentary. Without further ado, let us react to Paledusk. I almost forgot the name. Black Eyes in 3, 2, 1. Alright. There's a lot happening on both speakers, on both sides of my head. Okay. These riffs are going everywhere. Oh my god, this belongs in an anime. Okay, we're gonna pause it for a little bit. If you guys notice, in the second line of the chorus, you'll hear it goes up. The whole beat just waves all, like waves up. I think I've never seen something or heard something like that. Keep in mind we use the expression of seeing and watching very often, and we love to do so. So yeah, get used to it. Damn. Also, am I in a video game, in an anime? Am I in a crazy world where metal doesn't make any sense, but at the same time sounds really good? Nothing what you say. I'm looking at you through the eyes. No lies, no many lies. Okay, they're changing tempo once again. What is happening? Computer noises, crazy guitar work. I have a lot to say about this song. Bring in the swing. Video game style chorus is back and got it. I want to headbang, but I also want to freaking jump in place. Because it's so crazy, but it makes me so happy. And the riffs are just so crazy. What? What is this? Technocore? Thrash? Like nu metal? It's everything at once. And I'm here for it. Let's go! Up! Does he say popcorn? Or maybe it's just me. I just had lunch, but I'm still hungry. Please answer us on a postcard. And possibly in the comment section. Please and thank you. Chill. But it came to finish. It came to finish. It's done. It's over. It's gone. And that was it. Paledusk, Black Eyes. Honestly, I would love to review it, but I don't know where to begin. So I'm just gonna say it is pure unadulterated chaos, and we're gonna leave it at that. Synthesizers, sound waves, crazy guitar work, the drumming sensational, the vocals, the random vocalist kind of sounds like an idol. The Nintendo Core-ish style chorus. Hell, the Russian bass style mini breakdown that they had after the first chorus. What is happening? I just can't bring to words what I just heard. But it made my day, man. And it is sad to see that there's such an underrated band. Like, they need to be bigger. Because they just throw you for such a ride. I mean, I'm pretty sure some metal puritans will be like, that's not metal, that's just an amalgamation of music that pretends to create a new style but just fails at it. Nah, no man, this is new. That's innovation at its finest. Pfft, for all I know, they created a new freaking genre of music, and it is more than welcome. But that's just my silly personal opinion. I just threw in my 2 cents, so don't listen to me. I'm just speaking my mind about this track. Once again, shout out to Ray Devarshi for this recommendation. Keep on coming, my man. I love this band. It's amazing. Uh, I might post a baby metal reaction later if time serves me right. If not, happy Friday, happy weekend, and I'll see you all on the next reaction. Bye bye.